Yes, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. Mrs. Sobia Suhail is here, as you know, if you are opening my videos. Yeah, inverse trigonometric function, the simple derivatives I told you before. Now, part by part, we will give the reference of the simple identity, then we'll continue with that specific question, okay? Like in exercise, in this book 2.5, question number 10. First part is find out the derivative with respect to x. So we can say let the given question is equals to y. One type is that if you converted this and then change accordingly. But why we will go in so long conversion if we know the derivative of inverse function? Okay. So derivative of cos inverse of x equals to what is that? Minus 1 over under root 1 minus x square. Okay. X means angle. Apply the same. First put derivative on both sides. Derivative of cos inverse of the angle. Speak it about just the angle. Okay, speak it like the angle only. Now dy by dx is equals to derivative of cos inverse means minus 1 over 1 minus angle square. Angle square. Okay, what is the angle? X over a. And the derivative of angle must be there. Okay. Now, how to solve? Just simplify like the algebraic expressions we are doing. Okay. 1 minus x square over a square. And its derivative will be x derivative 1. 1 over a is coefficient. Okay. Now, can I take the LCM here?
Yes.
Making the denominator same. If you want to make it same as it is, you can do. Otherwise, you can take the help by making denominator same method also. The denominator must be same. There is 1. So multiply a square down, a square up. So it becomes a square minus x square. 1 over a. This denominator will be solved as, let me go step by wise, minus 1 over, what we write, square root of x square, a square minus x square. Can I shift this a square and square root separately?
Yeah.
And 1 over a is here. It's okay? Minus 1 over a square minus x square.
Over a.
This over a you want to keep over here, or denominator to denominator will go numerator multiplication. Okay, so it will come here as a 1 over a.
So it will get cancelled.
Now it can also be cancelled.
A.
Okay, so the final answer is 1 over a square minus x square. Derivative of dy by dx you can write in simple last step. And here, instead of y, what we can replace its value? Cos inverse of x over a equal sign. Okay. This is the final answer. Okay. So, yeah. The next part is this. Okay. So, the simple inverse function always you have to keep in mind. Okay. So, the inverse of cotangent is this one. Now, if I want to apply this one, derivative of this will be equal to minus 1 over, this means the angle. What is the angle over here? X over a. So keep the angle as it is, square root of angle x over a whole square minus 1, and derivative of x over a. I think you can solve this by yourself. Okay. Next, let's start the next topic in which the angle is a little different from the x over a or sine inverse of the function or the angle. Just keep in mind the simplest inverse function derivative. Okay, like derivative of sine inverse of, instead of x you can say theta also. What is that? 1 over square root theta square minus 1, or 1 minus theta square. Good. So apply this on dy by dx of the function. Okay. Now sine inverse means 1 over 1 minus angle. Angle 1 minus x square. This is the complete angle.
Yes.
Square of the angle and square root of that.
Yeah.
Okay. And derivative of
The angle.
angle. Exactly. Okay. Now 1 over square root of 1 minus. Square and square root cancel. So it become 1 minus x square. Okay. Its derivative again 1 minus x square whole power 1 by 2. So power rule will be applied.
Yes.
Power in start. Power minus 1. Yes. Stop. And derivative of function under the power. Power in start, power minus 1, derivative of function under the power. This one. Okay. So 1 over, in the meanwhile, solve this one also. 1 minus 1 minus minus plus x square. 1 by 2, 1 minus x square, half minus 1 minus half. And its derivative 0 minus 2x. Okay. Again apply power rule. Power in start, power minus 1, 2x. Derivative of x will be 1. Now this 2 and 2 cancelling. Cancel here. Negative will be in the start. Okay. X left. 1 minus 1 cancel. X square. This will come down.
Yeah.
1 minus x square. And can I write square root now positive? Yeah. This has become x. X and x cancel. Minus 1 over 1 minus x square. This is the answer of this one. Yeah. So how strange that its answer is exactly the simple sine inverse answer. Yeah. But this is like this. Thank you so much. So I will start the next part in the next video in the next session. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.